Hey guys, today is section 2 of chapter 9. We're going to talk about translations. And so our objective today is just to draw the translations on a coordinate plane. All right, so here's some examples of translations. You'll see we have our original shape up here and then our new image down here. So remember, this would be called our pre-image. Okay, and this is going to be our image. This one's our image, and I know that because of the little prime markings. Remember we talked about those yesterday. If we look back here, here is our pre-image. And this one here then is going to be our image. All right, let's talk about some definitions. Oh, wrong way. Definitions. Translation. Translation, another name for translation is slide. Make sure you memorize that. It might appear on a quiz or a test. Hint, hint, hint. Translation occurs when we move all the points. So move all points of original figure the same distance in the same direction. So we're moving all the points the same distance in the same direction. We talked about yesterday, but just a reminder, the pre-image is the original image. Or sometimes you might hear figure. And the image is our new image or figure. Now, when we do translations, we are going to be moving right and left, up and down. And if we move right, that's going to deal with our x coordinates. And when we move right, our x is going to be a positive. If we move left, our x is going to be a negative. If we move up, that's going to deal with our y, and our y is going to be positive. If we move down, that's going to deal with our y being negative. So let's look at what we see here. Translate EFG to the right 2 units and up 5 units. So sometimes you will see it given to you with these funny little like brackets, and it's to the right 2 units, so it's plus because we're going to the right, and up 5 units. So it again would be a plus because we're going up. So E, let's graph our first one. E is at -7, -1, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, down 1. So this is E. And F is at -4, -4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then G is going to be -3, -1, 1, 2, 3, 1. All right, so we have this triangle here. Now we're going to create our new image, and it's going to be E prime, F prime, and G prime. And so what we're going to do to our new point is we're going to take that -7 and we're going to add 2 to it. So that's going to give us -5. That's this y part, or that x part here. So let's go ahead and do it to all of our x coordinates. -4 plus 2 gives us -2. And G, -3 plus 2 gives us -1. Let's go ahead and find our y coordinates. This time with our y coordinates, we're going to be adding 5. -1 plus 5 is 4. -4 plus 5 is 1. And -1 plus 5 is 4. So let's go ahead and graph our new image. E is over at -5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So E prime. F prime is -2, up +1. And G prime is -1, up 4. So if we look, our points have moved up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and to the right 2. And that's exactly the directions that it gave us to do. All right, describe the translation of the soccer ball from position 2 to position 3. So let's first think about what we're moving left to right. So if we go from 2, we're going 1, 2, 3 to the right. So write 3. And then we are going to go down 2. So this is one way we could describe the translation. Remember, we're going to start describing it by left and right first, because we could also describe our translation using those brackets. We can go right 3, so plus 3, and down 2 would be negative 2. So those are two different ways to describe the moving of the translation of the position from 2 to 3. All right, translate square JKLM, negative 3, negative 4. So let's start off by graphing our pre-image. So J is at 3, 1, 2, 3, up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have J. K is at 5 and up 2. L is at 7 and up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And M is at 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so we have our figure here. And now our new image is going to be negative 3, negative 4 over. So J prime, 3 minus 3, we get 0. 4 minus 4, we get 0. K prime, 5 minus 3 gives us 2. And 2 minus 4 gives us negative 2. L prime, 7 minus 3 gives us 4. And 4 minus 4 gives us 0. And last, M prime. 5 minus 3 gives us 2. And 6 minus 4 gives us 2. So let's go ahead and graph our new image. J is at 0, 0. Or J prime. Excuse me. K is at, prime is at 2, negative 2, 1, 2. Okay. L is at 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, L prime, and then M prime is at 2, positive 2. So we can go ahead and draw in our figure here. And if we look at just our point M, it says that we should go back 1, 2, 3, and down 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's what we did. All right, number 4, graph TUV with vertices at T, negative 1, negative 4, U, 6, 2, and V, 5, negative 5, along the vector of negative 3, 2. So here the pre-image is already done for you, so all you have to graph is the new image. So let's go ahead and find that together. T prime, U prime, V prime. So we're going to take T is negative 1 minus 3 gives us negative 4. 4 plus 2 gives us negative 2. U, 6 minus 3 gives us 3. And 2 plus 2 gives us 4. And V, 5 minus 3 is going to give us negative 2. And negative 5 plus 2 gives us negative 3. Let's go ahead and graph that. T prime is going to be at negative 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and down 2. T prime. U prime is at 3, 1, 2, 3, and then up 4. 1, 2, oops, wrong way. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then finally U prime is negative 2, negative 3. Now that doesn't look quite right, so let's try it again. Let's see if we get this correctly. Negative 3 plus 2. Negative 1 minus 3 is negative 4. Negative 2. We get 3, 4. Oh, here we go. V is at positive 2. There's where my error came in. All right, let's try it again. Negative 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and down 2, 1, 2. T prime. Good, where we had it before. U is over at 3, 1, 2, 3, and up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. U prime. And now V, which will get us correct. We go 2, and then down 3, 1, 2, 3. V prime. All right, well, that looks much better. And if we were to compare, T, we will go negative 3, 1, 2, 3, and then up 2. All right, go ahead and finish the worksheet for tomorrow, and then you guys also have a coordinate grid problem to be doing. See you.